Welcome aboard, and thanks for riding with Uber. Before we depart, we kindly ask you to please fasten your seatbelt. During your ride, please keep your mobile phone switched on at all times, so you can follow your trip and find out all about your driver. Before someone can become a driver partner, they must pass all required checks. There are 4 exits in this vehicle, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. For your added safety, you can share your live location and let your loved ones know where you are. The driving hours feature prevents drivers from driving too long with us. And to help ensure your driver matches the one we have on file, we've introduced real-time ID checks. Now let's take a moment to review the safety toolkit, which you can open by tapping the shield icon on your home screen. From all the crew here at Uber, have a safe trip and be sure we're already working on new safety features, because we believe safety never stops.